Hello and welcome back to Mathletics with Nawaz. Today we are going to discover few more calculator tools which will help you get A star in mathematics. I'm using this Casio calculator. This is Casio FX991ES Plus. And let's start the video. Tool number 1, storing values in the calculator. Like if I have A is equal to cube root of 70 plus square root of 50, B is equal to tangent inverse of 0.1, and we have to find the value of A square plus B square and A square minus B square. So better storing these two values in the calculator as A and B. First of all, need to write this numerical value in the calculator. Press shift this button for cube root of 70, then plus square root of 50. This gives us a very long value and I want to store it as A. So press shift RCL, then find the variable A. I think variable A is over here. Press this one, press equal to, and you have successfully stored the value as A. Next, for the value of B, write this numerical value which is tangent inverse of 0.1 equal to, this is also a long value and I want to store it as B. So again shift RCL button and then find the variable B which is over here and press equal to. So we have stored the value of A and B. Now in order to calculate A square plus B square, just write it alpha A square plus alpha B and put a square is equal to, so here we get A square plus B square is equal to 157.88, and in order to get A square minus B square, just replace plus with the minus and we have A square minus B square is equal to 92.66. I have rounded it off to the two decimal places. So this was the procedure to store the values and then use these values for the further calculation. And in order to clear the memory, press shift 9. It says clear setup for 1 and 2 for memory. I want to clear memory, press 2, then press equal to, and we have cleared the memory. Tool number 2, dealing with decimals, improper and mixed fraction. First of all, we have a decimal number and I want to convert into a fraction. So write it in the calculator 4.45 and it automatically converts into a fraction, that is 89 upon 20. And we can see that this fraction is an improper fraction and I want to convert into a mixed number. So press shift and this S2D button. So it converts into a mixed fraction which gives us 4 whole 9 upon 20. So this is how we convert from decimal into fraction and into mixed fraction is possible. And second is how we add the mixed fractions and convert into decimals. So first of all, press shift and this fraction button to write a mixed fraction. 2 whole 3 upon 5. Then it is plus, press shift fraction button. It is 1 whole 7 upon 10 and it adds it to 43 upon 10. And if I want to convert this fraction into mixed fraction, press shift and S2D button. It gives us 4 whole 3 upon 10. And if I want this answer in decimal form, it will be 4.3. So that's how we deal with the decimals and mixed fraction and improper ones. Tool number 3, solving absolute value problems using calculator. I have supposed an absolute value problem given as y is equal to absolute value of 1 minus x square minus 4, where x is given as 3 and I want to solve this using calculator. So here is it. First of all, press shift and this HYP button which gives us absolute value. Need to write 1 minus x square and x is given as 3. So I will write 3 square and outside absolute value it is minus 4. So just press equal to and you will get the value of y as 4. So this is how we solve absolute value problem using calculator. I will like you to stop for a moment and try to solve this using calculator. This is also an absolute value problem given as y is equal to absolute value of x square plus 1 minus 10, where x is given as 5. Tool number 4, solving a cubic equation in standard form using calculator. The standard form of a cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. And what are a, b, c? They are the coefficient of x cube, x square, x and the constant respectively. I have supposed a problem that is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0 and want to solve using the calculator. So here is the procedure. First of all, press setup button, then press 5 which reads equation, then press 4 which gives us the standard form of a cubic equation. Now he asks for the value of a, b and c, and here we can see that a is 2, press 2, then press equal to, input 3, then press equal to, next c is minus 5, input it and press equal to, d is minus 6, put it and press equal to once again, and you will get the first value of x, that is 3 upon 2. Press equal to once again, second value is minus 1, and press it one last time to get the last value which is minus 2. So here's the procedure. This is how we can solve a cubic equation, but it must be in standard form, and if the equation is not in standard form, it must be converted in this standard form in order to solve using calculator. So that's it. In order to go back to normal mode, just press setup and 1. Tool number 5, summation of a function from a given value a to another given value b. I have supposed a question that gives us the summation of the function x square plus 1 from the value minus 2 till value 6, and this is how we can use calculator to do this question. Just press shift and log button. This will give us the summation symbol. First of all, write the function, and this is how. Press alpha and parenthesis closing button to write x, put a square over it, then plus 1. So now we need to write the lower and upper boundary, and press down button to write the lower boundary which is minus 2, press up button to write the upper one, it is 6, and press equal to get the answer, and this is 105. So this is how we can sum a function from one given value to another given value. I will suggest you to pause the video for a minute and try to do this question. If you find this video helpful, kindly like it and share with your friends. Comment your opinion and ask your queries in the comment section. Kindly subscribe our channel for more updates and stay connected. Thanks for watching Mathletics with Sir Nawaz.